Welcome back, my amazing coding stars. Are you ready for another exciting adventure in the world of ScratchJr? Today, we're diving into something magical, loops and repeats. Get ready to learn how to make your characters move again and again with just one special block. Did you know that loops are everywhere around us? Let's look at some fun examples. Brushing your teeth. You brush up, down, and side to side, repeating it to clean every tooth. Clapping hands. Clap once, twice, and keep going in a rhythm. Jumping rope. The rope goes round and round while you jump again and again. The sun and moon. They rise and set every single day. What a cosmic loop. Loops help us repeat actions, making life and coding super cool. In ScratchJr, the loop block is like a magic wand. You wrap it around an action and it makes your character do that action over and over. Instead of dragging the same block multiple times, you just use one loop block, set the number, and watch the magic happen. Pick a character like the butterfly. Drag a move right block and wrap it in a loop block. Add another move left block wrapped in a loop. Hit the green flag and watch your character do a fun side-to-side fly. Choose the car character. Add a move forward block inside a loop block and set it to 5 times. Add a sound block for a cool engine sound. Press the green flag and watch your race car zoom across the stage again and again. Before we wrap up today's amazing adventure, let's talk about something super fun: patterns. Loops create patterns, just like the ones you see in the world around you. Think about it: the colors of a rainbow, the beats of your favorite song, and the way birds fly in a V shape. Now it's your turn. Look around and find patterns in your day. Maybe it's the tiles on your floor, the steps you take, or even the way you eat your snacks. Write them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear all about the patterns you discover. And coding stars, if you had fun today, make sure to like this video to show your support. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a coding adventure. Share this video with your friends, because learning coding is even more fun together. We have more exciting lessons and cool tricks coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep shining, keep coding, and keep exploring patterns everywhere. See you soon. Bye.